go to buy, I recommend to you Roch 32 liters fridge. Look at how beautiful and neat it is. This one is black. If you don't like linen, do not worry because this one nobody will even see. Look at the space in it. Very spacious. If your Roch is going to the university and he or she will be in the hostel, why don't you get yourself a road table top so that the fellow will use it?